I'm not gonna hide it, I'm not gonna lie. I know you can see it. What your guy is
Coming up on today's vlog. Come on, come to mommy. You're so sweet. You're such a sweet girl. She's giving Madison her Valentine's Day gift. Yeah. I fell asleep last night. That's why Maddie have on her clothes in my bed. Yeah. I fell asleep and woke up choking on mine. Oh, thank you. I got one too. I got a bracelet. Oh, this is so sweet. Oh my gosh. You're such a sweet girl. Thank you so much.
Mommy.
there you go.
Oh, so pretty.
Yeah.
So beautiful. I've never owned anything so precious. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Happy Valentine's Day. I love you.
I love you too.
Alright, you gonna take her? Did you brush your teeth?
Not yet.
Okay, brush your teeth before you go down and take this one.
Okay.
Say good morning, guys. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. I'm getting ready to take the kiddos to school. I need gas. I'm 49 miles to empty, but I need gas. I think I'm gonna take them, pick them up, and then put gas. Like, that's just me. But anyways, I wanted to hop on here and tell you guys happy Valentine's Day. I hope you guys, you know, get the love that you need, you deserve. Me on the other hand, I don't really care too much about Valentine's Day because guess what? Every single day is Valentine's Day in my home. So I don't need somebody telling me a specific day to, you know, share love and, you know, but anyways, that guy has lunch at school, so I didn't make him any lunch. And then the other kids, I hope it's today, because you know me, I will just be like, oh, it's not today, and I'm just like, but I'm gonna go check my text message and see if it's today. I think it's today, because she said the little girl birthday is Valentine's Day, so she was bringing, you know, them lunch and stuff, like a party thing. But anyways, good morning. What you got there, mommy? Cheese? You just want cheese today? You just want cheese? Don't mind my unpainted cabinets. I have to finish it. I have to finish my cabinets. They're unpainted. I just wanted white cabinet. Don't judge me. Yes, I just wanted a fancy kitchen. Okay? Don't judge me. I have to clean out my refrigerator. I have to do that. And I'm having leftovers because I'm hungry and it's 2:04 and I'm just eating. So I'm having a little bit of leftovers. I didn't bake this yesterday. Yes, baby? You want it open? Say cheese, please. Cheese, please. Yes, baby? Cheese, please. Cheese, please. How was your nap? How was your nap? Nap? Thank you. What do you say? Thank you. That's all she eats is cheese. It's hot? What's wrong with it? Huh? You're hot? Oh, why are you hot? We're not taking that off because we're about to go pick up your bubbies. We're about to go pick up Bubby and Sissy in a little bit. So I can't take your clothes off. But when we come back, I can take your clothes off. Yeah, we can just hang out. Alright, go sit down. Anyways, just finished live and it was a good little live. I enjoyed it. I mean, I do enjoy my you know, my regulars on a regular. If that makes any sense. Like, I'm drained right now, like completely drained. Like, you know, when you share something, it sucks energy from you, and it sucks the energy. So I'm about to go eat my noodles and get all my energy. Or it could be just I'm just hungry. Could be that I'm just hungry. I need to go heat up my coffee and then work on this refrigerator. Pick up my children. No. Just switch that. We're going to eat this. Sit around for a little bit. Pick up my children. Clean out the refrigerator. And cook dinner. All in that order, okay? So, that's what I'm getting ready to do. Little Missy's having cheese for lunch. That's what she wanted. So, I might just give her some of the pasta, the leftover pasta. I might give her some of that for lunch. And mate, did I tell you guys? Ooh, I tried mate for the first time this morning, and I'm about to heat up some hot water and pour it on here and have mate again, because this signifies a lot. Because, you know, being around Marcelo mom and his dad, I've always admired their relationship, because, you know, when it's mate time, they come together, they sit, conversate, you know, eat whatever they're eating, and, you know, drink their mate. So this signifies a lot for me, because it simply means that my husband and I will get closer, because, you know, we're gonna have mate and we're gonna sit around and what? Like, I can dream. Like, yeah. What's the matter? What's the matter? What's wrong? Tell the sunshine. Hi. Hi, guys. I miss you guys in the live. Yes, I miss you guys in the live, because I was taking a nap. Say, I was taking a nap. So, I'm going to go get my food. I forgot that I can't walk with you guys, because this is my phone, and it shakes a lot. So, I'm sorry if my videos are, like, shaky, and you guys are nauseous as all get out, because when I walk, it shakes like that, and I don't like that. So I'm gonna eat lunch, and I'll catch up with you guys. Okay, so I shared out my lunch. Destiny made me a bracelet this morning. She made all of us a bracelet, but it's been falling off my hand all day, so just took it off. But got my lunch, but I want some cheese. And when I was doing keto, I used to make these little things, really crispy cheese thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna melt some cheese in this saucy pan. It's not even saucy, it's like, and I'm gonna melt it, and then I'm gonna pour it on top of here. So it mimics like it's baked on. It's gonna be so good. So good. So what you do is you just kind of like pat it down in there and let it melt. And you can put this on whatever. You can put it over egg, you can put it over a sandwich, you can put it over whatever. It's so good, so good. So you have to watch it so it doesn't burn. You just get that right, nice consistency and stuff, and then you're gonna slide it out. But I have to put you guys before, you know, I can slide it out, because you gotta time it perfectly. It's like, you know, it's like a pull-out job. You know, you have to time it. So let's go do that. Okay, and just like that, voila, you have cheese over your whatever. I didn't really do it too good because I burnt, but whatever, it's gonna be good. Okay guys, so I'm setting up my planner, and so far I haven't got far. I've just done, you know, I just stick the planner in here, and I'm setting up. So this is undated planner. I like undated. I have a love-hate relationship with undated, but for this year, being as though everything is so unpredictable, excuse me, being as though everything is so unpredictable in my life right now, I prefer to go undated, because I can always, if I don't feel the need to plan something, you know, I don't waste the planner. You know, I can always date it to when I pick back up. So I put some insert in here for brain dumps, because I really need to start picking my brain, because I feel like I could be more, you know, successful in life. So I need to start picking my brain. And then I just have these motivational quotes in here that I put in this little file thing. This one says do all the things. And love is a million color, which is so true. And good times. And then I'm starting on February, and then I started out. I haven't done my overview or my monthly spread, if you will, but I started working on this week. So a couple, of course, we're on Thursday, so I covered this up with the shopping list that I'm about to do. And then on Sundays is when I do most of my, housework and stuff. So I just, I'm playing around with it. So yeah, I just wanted to share what I'm doing so far. And I'm looking forward to, Maddie, stick this on here. I'm looking forward to getting back to planning. Go on, girl. Push you? I can't push you. Where you going? You know how old this car is, guys? We've had this since the twins were 2, either 2 or 3, her age. And now she gets to ride around in it. Go. We're gonna push it. Go, Maddie. Go, 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 Maddie. Go. The battery's dead. Go, Maddie. Go, Maddie. Where are you going? Juju's out. He's tied to the trampoline.
Look! Watch my signature move. Ready?
Alright, get it.
Jaxson, that's my move. What? No, it's mine. 2. That's yours. 3. Go. Get mine. You're gonna get it wrong. It's already black flip. Ready? Go.
It doesn't even let me have.
You did it, Jaxson.
Okay, your turn, Jaxson. Go. Go, buddy. Do it. You can do it.
Jaxson, stop.
Alright, jump.
Jaxson.
Go, Jack. You got it, Mama. You got it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Looking all crazy. Boom. So hubby's getting ready to do dinner. I got hubby to cook for us.
That means Yo-Yo Friday, she has to cook.
No, I'm not cooking for Yo-Yo Friday. That's why I asked you if you could do today's dinner.
So you can cook tomorrow?
So I don't have to cook tomorrow.
That makes sense.
Alright. Come on, come to mommy. All right, come on, come to mommy. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. She's like, help me. So yeah, so
Jackson's holding all the weight down.
see our little camera back there. So if you ever tried to come, we'll see you before you come in.
Jackson's holding all the weight down.
I asked him to cook for me because
Excuse me, Daddy?
I just don't feel good. I don't feel good, and I think it's just a hangover. I just have a hangover. Right, honey?
Yeah, I finished that whole bottle?
I finished the whole bottle by myself and almost choked on the wine
Daddy,
in my sleep.
Jackson's holding
Don't
all the
ask me
weight
how,
down
but
doing nothing.
Maddie's being extra. It's like 60
That's
degrees
a kilo.
outside, so it feels really good. Feels really good. And my kids are being extra. Oh, I'm so drained. I'm so drained.
I wish we had some chorizos.
Chorizo, you want chorizo?
Name the dog too.
My turn.
Honey, we're gonna get mate.
Chico.
Chico! We're gonna drink mate tonight?
Maybe, yeah. We drink after dinner.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to mate with my husband on Valentine's Day. What? Honey, what did you get me for Valentine's Day?
I'm cooking.
See? There's a child that's not happy. He's going in the house. I gotta go figure out what's wrong with him. Ah, Lord.
You can watch
And
it.
then there's another child that's not happy over there.
I think I can do it.
What's wrong, baby? What's wrong? Oh, my baby, he's sad. Oh, I need to clean my glass, my mirror. My door is dirty. Hey, what's wrong, baby? What's wrong? Give me a kitten. Jaxson. Give me a smile. Give me a smile. What's wrong with Bubby? He's not happy? No? What happened? He's crying in his eye? Or the trampoline? Something happened at the trampoline? Something happened with the trampoline? His eye? Yeah, he's crying? He's sad? Oh. His ears too sad? No?
Light?
I love the way you love your Bubby. You love him? Yeah? She was just hugging on him to make him feel better. This is so sweet. Little tiny human. Did you give Bubby a hug? Is he better? Huh? She's like, Mommy, you have that camera on me. I'm not gonna do it. she's like, I knew you could smile. She's like, I knew I could make you smile. You did it, Mama. He's smiling. There you go, Bub. I love you. Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, you guys are so sweet. She's like, cheer up, Bubby. Okay, so I didn't get to clean the refrigerator. Not a big deal. I'll get to it tomorrow or another day. And I'm making rice to go with the chicken that Marcelo's grilling. And that's it for us. Once again, happy Valentine's Day to all of you that celebrate. And thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button on the screen somewhere here and become a sunshine, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.